In this example, we want to find the unknown side length y in our model and our unknown side length x in our original. To solve for these unknown side lengths, we are going to use similar triangles and scale factors. But before we get started, let's label the corners of our triangle. In our original, we'll label this corner as A, this corner up here as B, and then the corner down here as C. Now, in our model triangle, we want to make sure that A, B, C line up with the same corners. So as we can see, our A corner in our original has two little semicircles. So that means the A corner in our model is going to be up here. Our B corner has three little dashes, so our B corner is going to be down here. And then our C corner has only one, so that means our C is going to be over here with the 1 as well. So now that we've labeled our corners, let's get started and find our scale factor. To find our scale factor, we're going to use our formula of side length of the model divided by side length of the original. So to do this, let's first start by getting a side length of our model. Let's use the side length CB, which is 27.6. So our scale factor is side length of our model, 27.6, divided by the corresponding side length of the original. So because we use side length CB in our model, we have to use side length CB in our original. But as we can see, side length CB in the original is x, an unknown side length. So that means we can't use the side length CB in our model. Instead, let's try a different side length. So instead of using CB, let's use side length AB. In our model, side length AB is 32.2, and in the original, side length AB is 14. So our scale factor is 32.2 divided by 14. Putting that into our calculator, we get our scale factor to be 2.3. So now that we have our scale factor, let's find our unknown side length y. We first have to find what side length CA in our model corresponds with in our original. Well, CA in the original is 6, so that means y corresponds to 6. So we take our corresponding side, 6, and multiply it by our scale factor. So 6 times 2.3. 6 times 2.3 gives us 13.8. So that means y is 13.8. Now we need to find our unknown side length of x. But as we can see, x is in the original triangle. So instead of multiplying by our scale factor, we are going to divide by our scale factor. So now we have to find our corresponding side length, CB, in our model. CB is 27.6, so x corresponds to 27.6. And now we want to take 27.6 and divide it by our scale factor. 27.6 divided by 2.3 gives us an answer of 12. So x equals 12.